Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm here with a special offer for you. If you want to learn how to build advanced websites with Next.js, don't miss this video. This course has over 64,000 students and has earned a rank of over 4th among the best. The original price of this course on Udemy, with a 75% discount, is nearly €15, but I'm offering it to you completely free of charge. So stay with us in this video and take advantage of this exceptional opportunity. The topics you will learn in this course include: learn core Next.js, pre-rendering, SSR, data fetching, routing. Learn how to build full-stack ReactJS apps with Next.js. And more. This course consists of 11 hours of instruction, along with a certificate of completion. I want to offer this course to you for free so that you can access all parts of it legally and at no cost, and even receive a certificate upon completion. Open your browser, whether it's Google or any other browser you use, and search for gotodiscounts.com. Once you do, a result like this will appear. Make sure that what you typed is exactly the same. Go to the main page of gotodiscounts.com. There are various categories available, and to find the course you're looking for, you'll need to navigate to the appropriate category. We click on All Discounts, select the desired category, and then click on Search. The relevant results will be displayed, including our desired course. Then, we enter the course we're looking for. In the opened page, there is information about the course, including its expiration date. Pay attention to the available expiration date. And click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. The course is offered to you completely free of charge. Don't miss out on this opportunity, as the discount is time-limited. So, take advantage of the available discount before it's too late. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on more discounts and courses, be sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends so they can also take advantage of these special opportunities. Good luck!